Get home!
This is Florida, known for its many sites of historical importance, such as the famous Cape Canaveral and Okie Swamp. Here lives the hungriest denizen of the Everglades, Gabby Gator.
Man, I'm starving.
This is a chef bologna. I'm going to show you how to prepare one fine fowl meal. First, you pick one fine plump chicken.
Yeah.
Then you add a plenty chef bologna sauce. Don't that look yummy?
I can't stand no more of that.
This is David Fussykind presenting Closed End. We have with us that famous Hollywood star of stage, screen, and television, Woody Woodpecker. Woody has volunteered to be the first woodpecker shot into outer space.
Man, he'd make a fine woodpecker stew.
In 1 hour, Woody will be at Cape Canaveral.
Oh, he will he? This old water tower will make a dandy space rocket.
Well, here I am in Florida. Cape Canaveral. This way. No, that way. Well, that's an odd squid.
Space General G. Gator, Cape Canaveral.
Space Volunteer W. Woodpecker reporting for duty, sir.
You'll be taking off at 0315. Follow me, cadet. Hup, 2, 3, 4. Hup, 2, 3, 4. Ho! Now, I'm going to cue you in on the nomenclature of the component parts. Top side, the nose cone, of course. The fifth stage rocket, now that follows the fourth stage. And the incinerator is to decenerate the afterburner. And this is the air cooling system.
Oh, boy. I'll bet this rocket makes a lot of racket.
And here is the main part, where the pilot flies. Lies.
Gee, I can't wait for the takeoff.
Right away, son. Hop in and start the countdown.
Okay, General. See you on the moon.
I'm going to eat that woodpecker. Oh, boy. Man, he's going to taste good. Must have forgot to pay my gas bill this year. And I ain't got no quarter.
Hey, General, where's the takeoff?
Oh, that was just a dry run. First, you got to pass the rigid space fitness test. Now, this is the atmospheric resistance chamber. Hop right in, boy.
Anything for science, General.
Fine. Now we'll accelerate the pressurizer. I could eat that woodpecker. Oh, boy. Man, Now what's wrong? Doggone it. Nothing works around here.
Okay, Buster. I passed that test.
Not so fast, boy. Now you gotta take a whirl in the centrifugal atmospheric survival tank. These are space reduction pellets to decalcify your corpuscles so you won't come unglued in outer space.
Thank you, General.
I could eat that woodpecker. Boy, man, he does taste good.
General, I'm getting tired of the delay.
Look, son, rockets cost $2,003,500,000 and 25 cents. And I'm short just $1.
Well, why didn't you say so? Here's a quarter.
We'll have you flying in no time.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Hey, General, aren't you going to watch the takeoff?
If that little Woody was a wee bit fatter, I'd need more turnip and a much bigger platter.
So, that's his dirty game, eh? I'll fix him. This'll help the blast off.
Hey, what are you doing out of there?
The thingamajig is stuck.
The thingamajig?
3, 2, 1, 0.
What happened? Where am I?
Don't forget to write, General.